If you're seeing a Gmail sign in error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step. We'll cover how to recover a forgotten Gmail password, how to find a forgotten Gmail address, how to fix wrong password or couldn't sign you in errors, and how to clear your browser cache and cookies to get Gmail working again. This is a simple troubleshooting guide, and by the end, you should be able to sign back into your account with confidence. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, if you forgot your Gmail password, open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/sign-in/recovery. This is Google's official account recovery page. Enter your Gmail address, then click Next. If Google asks for your password and you do not remember it, click Try Another Way. Google will then show you one or more recovery methods depending on what you previously set up. You may get a verification code sent to your phone, a recovery email, or a Google prompt on a device where you are already signed in. Choose the method you can access right now, then complete the verification step carefully. Once Google confirms it's really you, you'll be able to create a new password. Enter your new password, confirm it by typing it again, and then click Save. After that, try signing in again with your new password. Now, if you don't remember the Gmail address itself, you can recover that too. Go to accounts.google.com/sign-in/username recovery. On this page, enter your recovery phone number or recovery email address, then enter your name exactly as it appears on the account. Follow the verification steps Google provides, and it will help you identify the Gmail account linked to that recovery information. This is especially useful if you have multiple Google accounts or if you simply forgot the email address you used. If you're getting a wrong password message or couldn't sign you in error, there are a few quick checks that can solve the problem immediately. First, make sure caps lock is turned off, because a password can fail just from one accidental capital letter. Next, check your keyboard language and layout, since different keyboard settings can change the characters you type. Then carefully re-enter your password, making sure every letter, number, and symbol is correct. Sometimes the issue is not the account at all, but just a typing mismatch. If Gmail still will not sign in, the next step is to clear your browser cache. In your browser, click the three-dot menu, then go to Delete Browsing Data. Make sure Cached Images and Files is selected, and then click Clear. Cached files can sometimes store old sign-in data and cause login problems, so clearing them often helps refresh the browser session. After that, go back and clear your cookies too. Open the browser menu again, select Delete Browsing Data, choose Cookies and Other Sites Data, and then click Clear Data. Once that is finished, restart the browser completely and try Gmail again. This can remove corrupted sign-in sessions and fix stubborn login errors. If you're using a mobile browser or a desktop browser and the sign-in page still behaves strangely, clearing both cache and cookies is one of the best troubleshooting steps you can try before moving on to more advanced fixes. So to quickly recap, if you forgot your password, use the Google recovery page. If you forgot your email address, use the username recovery page. If you get a wrong password or couldn't sign you in error, check caps lock, keyboard layout, and retype the password carefully. And if Gmail still won't open properly, clear your cache, clear your cookies, restart the browser, and try again. I hope this tutorial helped you fix your Gmail sign in error. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.